The AG dispenser is a machine that's been developed for dispensing different products into different applications. This short video is designed to help with the installation and maintenance of this machine to obtain the best results. References will be made to the operator's manual supplied with the dispensers. Whatever the type of maintenance that needs to be done on the dispenser, the tractor engine must be stopped, the handbrake applied, and all residual hydraulic pressure released. This is the AG175 dispenser. Any manoeuvring of the bucket for installation and maintenance must be done using the lifting points shown. To install attachments or for any service requirements, the AG dispenser will require positioning in the horizontal position as shown. To make life easier, we recommend lifting the base of the AG dispenser as shown and securing. Fitting a tilting mechanism will allow the use of an AG dispenser on most common types of tractors. Connect the hoist to the tilting mechanism at the top link locator. Ensure a suitable lifting hoist is used and trained personnel are present. Alter mounting plate at the rear of the tilting mechanism so the angle is the same as the box section framework on the AG dispenser. Slowly maneuver tilting mechanism to the box section framework of the AG dispenser. Align the holes with the box section. Secure using the 8 U-bolts supplied. Only genuine U-bolts supplied with tilting mechanism must be used. These must be checked every 50 hours and tightened where applicable. Ensure the tilting mechanism is central to the dispenser and secure. As shown, the tilting mechanism can be used with an A-frame or a 3-point linkage. The linkage system allows the bucket to be tilted flat to fill for scooping up the material. If the AG dispenser is mounted using the linkage system, then ensure there is enough counterbalance on the front of the prime mover to compensate the load without exceeding the capacity of the prime mover. Many different brackets are available from AG depending on the requirements of the customer. These are fitted using U-bolts supplied to the box section framework of the AG dispenser. Only genuine U-bolts supplied with brackets must be used. These must be checked every 50 hours and tightened where applicable. Brackets allow the AG dispenser to be attached quickly and easily to many different types of prime movers. The unique design of the AG dispenser allows it to be tilted horizontally flat to fill. Do not overload the machine. Do not use any other material in the machine other than that specified by the manufacturer. Do not allow stones and rocks to enter the machine when filling. Driving into the bottom of the pile at high speed will compact the material and create higher pressure requirement within the machine. Caution: the AG dispenser must always be operated in the vertical position. Operating the AG dispenser, left or right discharge is simply achieved by reversing the hydraulic power. All AG dispensers are supplied with slides that are designed to regulate the flow of material through the machine. Refer to Operator's Manual, page 9. If a machine runs in one direction for a short period then stops, then in the other direction for a short period then stops, the holes in the slides need enlarging towards each other. As shown, holes can be adjusted from 200mm by 100mm to 200mm by 300mm. Ensure holes are enlarged equally. We recommend small amounts are removed at intervals from the slide. Run and test regularly until the correct size is achieved. We advise holes are enlarged towards each other. Ensure safety clothing is worn at all times. If machines are to be used on prime movers with limited oil flow, the AG dispenser can be modified to suit using a selection of pulley ratios. Wherever possible, warning pictograms, labels with no words, or warning labels are used on the machine near the area of danger and/or in the product manual near the relevant instructions. Always comply with the safety rules set out in the pictograms and detailed in the operator's manual. For altering the pulley ratio on the conveyors, remove the two M12 bolts to the right-hand side of the bucket. Loosen the two M12 bolts on the left-hand side. This will allow the left-hand side of the conveyor to be pulled towards you, showing the pulley ratio. To remove the drive pulley as shown, slacken the three M10 nuts. Unscrew fully the V-belt adjuster. To remove the two SPZ1252 pulleys, the two Allen key set screws on each pulley require removal. An Allen key set screw then requires screwing into the third position on the taper lock bush, thus removing the taper lock bush and pulley from the shaft. To remove the driven pulley, repeat process of drive pulley. SPZ142 and SPZ82 pulleys are a pair and can now be fitted. The SPZ142 needs to be fitted to the motor. The SPZ82 to be fitted to the head roller. Refit the tape lock bush and the two Allen key set screws on each pulley and retighten using the Allen key. It's recommended to fit the XPZ887 V-belts whilst fitting the SPZ142 to the motor. Once these Allen keys are tight, it is sometimes recommended to lightly tap the taper lock bush with a hammer, thus allowing you to tighten the Allen keys even more. V-belt tension is set using the adjuster. See pages 10 and 11 of the operator's manual. Whilst setting the tension, one must rotate the conveyor belt, thus allowing the correct tension to be achieved of 10 to 15 millimeters. Important: too much tension will increase motor wear and result in loss of power on the conveyor. Once correct V-belt tension is achieved, retighten the three M10 nuts. Refit the conveyor by replacing the previously removed bolts. Changing the pulley ratio is now complete. The AG dispensers are fitted with the unique high-quality endless polyurethane belt, giving long and lasting durability. Regular routine maintenance will ensure your AG dispenser gives you the very best results with a minimum of problems. Prior to any maintenance, ensure the prime mover is switched off with the key removed. Firstly, remove the motor mounting guard inside the AG dispenser. Ensure that all hydraulic pressure is released at this point. Remove the 3 hydraulic hoses as shown, ensuring you clearly mark which pipe has come from which port. Also ensuring the ends of the pipes are kept clean and away from any material. Remove the 4 conveyor retaining M12 bolts. Important: all safety codes must be practiced. The conveyor is a heavy object and may require 2 personnel to remove it. By gently sliding the conveyor towards you, it will then remove from the conveyor housing. The conveyor is a separate unit from the AG dispenser, and it is always recommended to remove it for maintenance. The side skirts shown are of major importance to the durability and long life of the discharge belt. The faulty side skirt shown is not in contact with the flat of the main discharge belt. This will result in material under the belt causing alignment problems, incorrect belt tension, or a torn belt. The rubber side skirts must be in contact with the flat of the belt for long and lasting durability. Changing of the side skirt is recommended every 2 years. The belt replacement may not be required. For changing the side skirts, remove the 9 M8 skirt retaining bolts. As shown, this is perished side skirt and must be replaced immediately. Once side skirts are removed, it is recommended to check the alignment of the discharge belt unless the belt is being replaced. As shown, this discharge belt is running out of line, and it's important realignment occurs. Adjust the bearing to compensate for misalignment in belt. Rotate belt manually to check alignment. If still misaligned, repeat adjustment. Removal of discharge conveyor belt. It is recommended side skirt replacement occurs on renewal of belt. Remove the adjuster screws from the SCH25 adjustable bearing. This is easily achieved by locking the 2 nuts together as shown. They then hold on the threaded bar, allowing removal. Complete this task on both sides of the conveyor. Gentle persuasion is required to remove the tail roller complete with the 2 bearings from the conveyor bed. It is not required to remove the bearings from the tail roller shaft. Now remove tail roller assembly away from conveyor bed. Roll conveyor onto its side. Pull the discharge belt towards the motor end of the conveyor. Then remove belt from conveyor as shown. Continually check for wear on any moving parts. Check the idler rollers for excess wear. These should rotate easily with no noise. Also, check hydraulic fittings on rear of motor for leakage. Head roller must be checked for bearing wear. This can be checked by its free rotation. As described in page 15 of the operator's manual, head roller edge wear must be checked. Fitting of the discharge belt is very easy. Apply the discharge belt from tail roller end. Refit tail roller and bearing assembly. Refit adjustable threaded bar. It's recommended to coat threads with grease, allowing for easy removal on any future occasions. Lock threaded bar into bearing, using nut as shown. Rotate discharge belt, allowing alignment to be set. Small adjustments are required to set tension and alignment of the discharge belt. See page 15 of Operator's Manual. We recommend that 75mm of play is required on the main discharge belt. It's important that the side skirts are fitted correctly and genuine parts are used. Fold side skirts as shown, starting at one end, fitting metal retaining strip. At this point, don't worry about the side skirt contact with the discharge belt. Refit all 9 M8 skirt retaining bolts, leaving them slack so side skirt adjustment can be obtained.